Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Chromebook Unblocked. First, you need to ensure your Chromebook can run Android apps. Most modern Chromebooks support this, but you'll need to enable the Google Play Store. Go to your Chromebook settings, find the Apps section, and turn on the Google Play Store. This crucial first step opens up a world of Android gaming on your device. Once the Google Play Store is enabled, open it up. You'll see a familiar interface, just like on an Android phone or tablet. Use the search bar at the top to type in Brawl Stars. When the game appears in the search results, simply click the Install button. The game file size is typically around 300 megabytes, so it should download fairly quickly depending on your internet speed. If you're on a school or work network, Brawl Stars might be blocked. To bypass these restrictions, a virtual private network, or VPN, is your best friend. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a different location, making it appear as if you're browsing from elsewhere. Choose a reliable VPN provider, connect to a server, and then launch Brawl Stars for unblocked fun. To get the best Brawl Stars experience on your Chromebook, consider optimizing your setup. Connecting a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard can significantly improve your control accuracy compared to using the touchscreen or trackpad. Also, dive into the game settings and lower the graphics quality if you experience any lag. A stable internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi, is also vital for uninterrupted competitive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.